Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace Kindle keyboard battery. If you want to go straight to video, just click here, or you want to listen to me talk about background story. So I bought my Kindle keyboard when I was in the UK 8 years ago, and it's working just fine, except when I leave it for months. I did that a couple of times, and recently haven't used it for like maybe a year. I try what I found on the internet, like slide button, hold it for 20 seconds or hold it for 40 seconds and nothing happened. I charge it and the orange light comes on, which means that it can be charged, but the light never turned green, so I think something wrong with the battery. I contacted Amazon UK. They told me to try those slide and hold for 20 seconds, 40 seconds, the same, and nothing happened. They just offered me 15% off to buy a new one, which I want my same old Kindle to work, and I don't want to get a new one because Amazon UK does not ship to Thailand. The guy said just buy it, ship it to your relatives or your friend in UK, and then just get it shipped to Thailand, which a waste of money. There's some kind of shop in Thailand that sell Kindle as well, but it's just really overpriced. I got nothing to lose, just find some solution to change battery. Came across this YouTube video. If you search, you will find as well. It's just something 99 website. It costs around $20, 20 something, 23. I haven't checked the shipping price. I think it's expensive because, you know, shipping something from the US to Thai, it's expensive anyway, and I'm afraid of tax and duty and all this stuff. So I realized that this Kindle, it's from China. You know, it should be manufactured from China. I just take a look on the website AliExpress, which I usually buy some cheap thing like iPhone cases, gadgets. I search for this and there's a Kindle 3 battery. Try to check if it's the same battery or not, and from what I see in the picture, it should be the same. So just, you know, order it. It's a little bit cheaper than the US website. I waited 22 days and the package arrived. I have success in replacing Kindle keyboard battery. Let's check the video out. Okay, this is the package and what it came with. Some tools like screwdrivers. And this is the battery. There's a good luck charm comes with the package as well. Okay, now to open the back of the Kindle, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's quite difficult to get the back off. I might make some scratches along the way, but it's okay. Then I managed to get it open. This is what it looks like inside. And if I turn this way, you can see that the battery is a bit bulging. So that's the problem. This is just to compare the old and the new one. There are two screwdrivers, and the bigger one on the right works for me. Start by unscrewing these two nuts. taking out the old one. It's really bulging, so you can see. Ooh. This is a new one. Put it, slide it down. Now put the screws back in. And it totally works, as you'll see in a minute.
Does it have to be like really thick?
The green lights come on! Oh my god! So excited! It came back to life! Oh my god. Okay. Another one.
Okay, it's done.
Oh my god! I haven't put back the cover yet. Gotta do that. It's back! Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, everything is gone. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so happy! Yay! Hey! All my books are back. Now putting the cover back. And then I have some trouble getting the last bit in.
So I decided to take it off again. Maybe it needs to start at the end. That's why it's not coming in. Okay, let me try again. This time starting at the bottom. Okay, I got it. Have to start at the end and work your way up. Push. It's not too difficult. Now, last bit.
Okay, yeah, perfect. It's done. And that's how you change Kindle 3 battery. Yeah. Okay, that's it for the video. I hope that it helps someone out there to revive your old Kindle. I don't know, it just means something to me. My book is still in there, and yeah, I'm really happy that it worked again. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.